everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get your hair like this using a flat iron. Yes, that's right. So if you don't have the money to buy a curling iron for Valentine's Day, but you want to curl your hair, or if you just want to know how to curl your hair with a flat iron, then please keep on watching. Okay, I do apologize if you guys hear background noises. It's my neighbors. I don't know what they're watching or doing. Anyways, okay, so as usual, we're gonna go ahead and section our hair first. And I'm just gonna use my, plastic hair tie. This is good hair tie because it doesn't snag your hair. It does not, your hair is not gonna be stuck with it. So if you take it off, it's not gonna pull your hair off or anything. It's very gentle on the hair. So I have this left. I already heat up my straightener. It's 419 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just gonna grab it. I'm gonna grab a white tooth comb. Just grab a section of my hair and then brush that first. Only one single brushing will do. Take my straightener and then kind of straighten my hair first to get rid of frizz. And then once that's done, I'm gonna take my hair, wrap it around the straightener so it's back here. Take my straightener, twist it once, twist it twice until that hair is down here and it's wrapped around this wand right here. Then all you have to do is hold this hair down and then go slowly with the straightener. Pull the straightener down slowly. The slower you go, the more tight your curl is gonna be. So for this curl, I just want it to be down here, so that's fine. Let me just hold it a little bit before releasing it. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna do another strand. So I'm gonna straighten my hair first. Just lightly straighten it to get rid of frizz because I have naturally curly hair. Okay, so once again, take your straightener, put it in between the hair, take this hair, loop it around that first top straightener, then turn the straightener once, twice, until it's back over here and the hair is down here. All we need to do now is just pull it slowly. And just to let you guys know, I already put products on my hair before I filmed, so I'll just put the picture here to show you guys what I used before filming, okay? Then I'm just gonna hold it for a little bit. And that's the curl we get. Okay? So I'm gonna do one more. I have one more strand here, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do the left one. Okay, so for the left side, it's a little bit tricky because you have to do it backwards, okay? I'm just gonna grab a section from the back, brush it the same way, straighten it first the same way. Okay, now we're gonna take the straightener with your right hand, take your hair, take the straightener, wrap it around the first the top straightener. Then with your left hand you twist it twice again and then you just pull it downward. This might be a little harder for those of you who are right-handed like me Just hang in there. I feel like I used the wrong foundation, guys. The slower you pull it, the tighter your curl is going to be. So the same way, just hold it. Then release, okay? And hold it a little bit longer, just about 10 seconds. Then let go. Okay? Don't worry you guys, my hair is not burnt, it's just the product that I used creates the flame, the smoke. Okay, so that's that, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the upper part. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a few sections from the top, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing. This section is a little big, so I'm just gonna divide it in two. So the same way. And as you can see, I'm starting it a little bit closer to my roots this time because I want it to show. I want the curl to be a little bit higher. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be fast forwarding the clip from now on because I'm doing the same exact thing. But yeah, I'll see you when we're doing the front part. Okay, so my camera turned off on its own. So anyways, we're just gonna take that part, then we're just gonna do the same exact thing. It doesn't matter which way you pull it from. We're just gonna separate it once it's in the back of our head, so it's fine. Once in the back of my head. Yeah guys, this is how slow I'm moving it so that the curls will stay, because it's funny, but I have, you know, naturally curly hair, but my hair doesn't hold curls that well. Okay, then I'm just gonna put it in my hand. And then put it in the back of my head just like that for now. Okay, then we're gonna do this front. Same thing, same way. Just brush it through first, then straighten. I'm gonna make sure that the roots are straight. I don't have any other mirror. I'm just using the viewfinder as my guidance, so really sorry if I keep looking up, guys. Okay, so now just gonna do the same thing. It's okay for the front part if I pull it this way, because I'm gonna pull it backwards to get a little bit of volume in front, you know, like that. And then for the hair earlier, we're just gonna separate it so that it separates in the back. Okay guys, so that's how the hair looks like right now. I don't usually use hairspray because, like I said, my hair just doesn't hold up curl that well, so I literally just leave it this way. But I kind of just brush it through my hand so that the curls are not so prom-like. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna be having a great Valentine's Day, and don't forget to catch me up on my social medias. I'm always active over there if I'm not on YouTube. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching that video, you guys. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you guys like this type of videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking my round face right here, and that will help me a whole lot. And if you guys want to check out my vlog channel, it will be right up here. And the next video is here.